Alright friends, this is how to open up lentils with one hand. Now, make sure if you have any infants, keep them off the island, peninsula, or countertops because this could definitely peel in pieces, tiny pieces of plastic as you peel it, because inches are in bits. Take a snip. I guess I'm trying to show you a smidget. See if I can do this backwards. Sometimes I'm not very good at doing this backwards, but I can. There. And maybe, especially with scissors, trying to keep. And as my usual 3-finger flip or so. How do you flip that with like your see? Like, you definitely don't want your kids swallowing something like that. So yikes. Tiny pieces of plastic are never good. So you definitely want to be extra careful with this. This seems to be kind of stuck, but yeah, you definitely want to make sure this stays together. I don't know about most of you who have lower microwave ovens, but yeah. Be sure to like this, subscribe.